So you want to make a business video. I'm Alex Worley with an Empowerista Business Report on where to begin when making a video to promote your business. It all begins with choosing the best video format to support your goal. Here are the most common formats. Number 1, how-to videos. How-to videos do exactly what their name implies. They teach your customer how to do something related to your brand. For example, a makeup company could do a video on how to perfect a smoky eye. These videos are great for social media and attracting future customers. Number 2, brand videos. Brand videos are an introduction to your business, most commonly found on your website and pinned to the top of your social media pages. These videos tend to cover your business story and the solutions you provide your customers. They almost always feature the face of the brand, likely the founder and CEO, and they could include one or more customers. Number 3, case study videos. Case study videos are an introduction to a specific product or service, often found on a landing page and social media to highlight a customer's journey. These videos use storytelling to demonstrate the customer's problem prior to purchasing your product or service, their experience with your product or service, and the results they're seeing after purchasing your product or service. Number 4, sales videos. As you move your customer from awareness to sales, a sales video does a great job of featuring the facts, features, and benefits of a particular product or service, giving your customer the details they need right before making a purchasing decision. These videos are typically shorter and found in social media ads and sales pages. Use hashtag Empowerista to let me know what kind of video you're considering making. I'm Alex Worley, and this has been an Empowerista Business Report.